In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play UFC 5 with two controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use two controllers to play UFC 5 with your friends. You will be able to share the same screen, and each of you will have one controller. So player 1 has the main controller, and player 2 will have the other one. So all that you have to do is first connect an additional controller. This can be done for Xbox or PlayStation. In this example picture, I'm using the PlayStation version. So when you connect a new controller either through a cable or wirelessly, you will be able to assign a user. This is very important if you need to assign a user account to that new controller. You can also choose the option to play as a guest. So if you don't want to spend time creating a PSN or Xbox account, just use it as a guest. But it's very important that you either assign a full user account or you choose guest. Once the controller has been all set up, you will be able to go inside of the game. From the home screen of UFC 5, go over to Fight Now. As you can see, quick UFC experiences to play against AI or friends, so this is what we're looking for. Immediately upon going to Fight Now, you can browse through all of the modes, and if you just want a standard match, go ahead and choose the main one, Fight Now. This is the one that I'm going to use as an example, but you can explore other modes. Now, you can press L3 to open the settings and customize the fight type. However, when you proceed, the very first thing that you will see is to select the corners, so you can assign one controller to the red corner and another one to the blue corner, however you prefer. You can assign them, and when you get inside of the game, each controller will be able to control that specific corner. By default, it is going to say CPU in here, so make sure that you throw the controller in. This will override the CPU, and you will be able to play using the actual controller. Once you are in, each of you will be able to select your fighter and start playing in any of the modes that you selected inside of Fight Now. I hope I was able to help you on how to play UFC 5 with two controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.